7 high-paying trade jobs that don't require a degree. What if you could secure a high-paying career without spending years in college? In today's video, we'll explore 7 high-paying trade jobs that pay incredibly well, and they don't require a degree. If you've been feeling frustrated by the rising cost of education, or just want to start a career without the long path of a traditional degree, you're in the right place. There are plenty of trade jobs offering impressive salaries and job stability, many with little to no student debt. Let's dive into some of the highest-paying, in-demand roles you can pursue without a degree. Let's start with elevator installers and repairers. These professionals install and maintain elevators, escalators, and moving walkways. It's a specialized field requiring knowledge of mechanical systems and safety protocols. The good news is, most workers in this field learn through apprenticeship programs. Earnings. With demand rising for safe, functional elevator systems, installers can earn $4,000 to $6,000 per month, and in some cases even more, depending on experience and location. Plumbers are always in demand. From fixing leaks to installing piping systems in new constructions, plumbers keep everything flowing smoothly. You don't need a degree for this role, but an apprenticeship or trade school will equip you with the skills you need to succeed. Earnings. Plumbers can earn anywhere from $4,000 to $6,500 per month, with the potential to make even more with overtime or working on larger projects. Electricians work with electrical systems in homes, businesses, and factories. They're responsible for wiring, lighting, and ensuring that everything operates safely. Becoming an electrician typically involves an apprenticeship program where you learn on the job while getting paid. Earnings. Electricians can earn between $4,500 and $7,000 per month on average. With experience, this can increase significantly, especially if you work in specialized fields like industrial or commercial electrical systems. Boilermakers are responsible for constructing and repairing large containers that hold liquids and gases. It's a physically demanding job that often requires workers to travel to different job sites. Training is typically provided through apprenticeships. Earnings. Boilermakers can make $5,000 to $8,000 per month, depending on experience and where they work. The job often includes travel and overtime, which can increase earnings. HVAC technicians are responsible for installing and maintaining heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. As climate control becomes more essential in homes and businesses, HVAC technicians are in high demand. Most technicians learn through vocational programs or apprenticeships. Earnings. HVAC technicians make an average of $4,000 to $6,500 per month, with many experienced techs earning even more, particularly during peak seasons when demand is high. With the shift toward renewable energy, wind turbine technicians are becoming more sought after. These professionals maintain and repair wind turbines, ensuring they run efficiently. Although it's a physically demanding role, it's an excellent entry point into the booming green energy sector. Earnings. Wind turbine technicians can earn between $4,000 to $6,500 per month. With the demand for renewable energy increasing, salaries are expected to rise in the coming years. Construction managers oversee building projects, ensuring they're completed on time, within budget, and according to safety regulations. While senior construction management positions often require a degree, entry-level roles don't. With experience, these positions can lead to leadership roles in the construction industry. Earnings. Entry-level construction managers can earn $4,500 to $7,500 per month. With experience and higher positions, salaries can climb even higher, particularly in large projects or high-demand areas. There you have it, 7 high-paying trade jobs that don't require a degree but can lead to stable and lucrative careers. If you're ready to skip the student debt and start earning, consider exploring one of these paths today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into rewarding career opportunities. And remember, sometimes the best career path isn't the traditional one. See you in the next video.